So good day everyone, I'm Olorbido C. Joel Jr. and for today's lesson we'll discuss about basic concepts and terms in geometry. But before we start, allow me first to introduce our learning objective. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to first identify the different terms of geometry, illustrate subset of a line, classify either a point, line, or a plane. But before we start our discussion, let's have first a short activity. So students, get one sheet and paper and answer this activity. I'll give you 10 minutes to answer, and after 10 minutes, let's check. So, till whether the following represent a point, line, or plane. Number 1. Tip of a pen. Answer is a point. Tip of a needle. It is a point. Electric wire. It is a line. Wall. It is a plane. Paper. It is a plane. Edge of a table. It is a point. Blackboard. It is a plane. Intersection of two walls. It is a line. Corner of a table. It is a point. Clothesline. It is a line. Now, we will discuss about basic concepts and terms of geometry. In this lesson, we have 10 different terms such as the point, line, plane, line segment, ray, midpoint, angle, parallel lines, intersecting lines, and last is the perpendicular line. Now let's discuss first what is a point. A point is just an exact location in space, and it has no dimension. So, this is an example of a point. Then, the line. A line is a set of points arranged in a row, and it is extended endlessly in both directions, and it is one-dimensional figure. So based on this illustration, we have a line, and this line consists of 2 points, si point E and si point B. So this example, we have a line AB, or line BE, or line M. Now let's proceed to the plane. A plane is a set of points in an endless flat surface. So, for example, we have a square, and inside the square, we have consisting 3 points, point E, point B, or point C. So, we have plane M, or plane ABC, plane ACB, plane BEC, plane BCE, plane CBE, and last is plane CAB. Now let's move on to line segment. A line segment is a part of a line which has defined endpoints, and it has a beginning of points and ending of a point. So mag-start siya sa point, then mag-end sa point. So we have example, natay line. Then this line consists of 2 points, the point E and point B. So in a line segment, it has a beginning point and ending point. So we have line segment AB. Now let's proceed to the ray. So what is ray? A ray is a line with single endpoint or point of origin that extend infinitely in one direction. So mag-start lang siya sa point, then mag-extend siya infinitely. So we have example. We have a line, then this line consists 2 consecutive points, the point E and the point B. So we have ray AB. Now let's proceed to midpoint. The midpoint of a segment divides the segment into the 2 segments of equal length. So based on this example, we have a line, then this line nag-consist siya og tulo ka point, si point E, point M, ug si point B. So sa midpoint, it's a segment divides in segment into two segment of equal length. So equal siya. So diri sa illustration, based nga rin sa illustration, ang midpoint din niya is si point M. Next is angle. What's an angle? Ang angle is formed when two straight line or rays meet at a common endpoints. A commonly point at contact is called the vertex of an angle. So kani siya, based on this illustration, mo ni siyang vertex. Then we have also different types of angle, but later on we'll discuss that. But this discussion will discuss the basic in terms of geometry. Now let's proceed to parallel line. A parallel line is a line that never intersect, or it is a two line that never intersect. Then sa intersecting lines, a lines that intersect each other at one point. So kausara siya ni intersect. That is intersecting line. And for perpendicular line, it's a line that intersect and form four right angles. So two lines that intersect, then maka-form siya og four right angle. So let's apply. So we have an activity here. So direction, go around your house, classroom, and find as many objects as you can represent a point, line, or a plane. So we have a table here, and in a table we have three columns. So write your answer here in a point, line, or plane. So that would be all. Thank you for listening, and God bless us all.